Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you the difference between ChatGPT versus Gemini. ChatGPT is OpenAI's conversational AI known for its versatility and wide adoption. It excels in tasks like coding assistant, content creation, and general purpose conversations. Strength of ChatGPT is that it handles a wide range of tasks from casual chats to complex coding. Well integrated with various platforms and services, and clean design with features like dark mode and offline access for Plus users. It excels in research, planning, and structure content creation. While the weakness of ChatGPT is that it relies on training data with web browsing features available only in paid versions. Responses can be lengthy or generic and smaller context window compared to Gemini, which may impact handling extensive conversations. ChatGPT is best for writing blogs, articles, and creative pieces, debugging and code generation, and tutoring and structured learning support. And it is best for gathering and summarizing information. While the overview of Google Gemini is that it is Google's next-generation AI succeeding Bard, it integrates deeply with Google's ecosystem, offering multimodal capabilities and real-time internet access. While strength of Google Gemini is that it processes text, images, audio, and video seamlessly and leverages Google search capabilities for up-to-date information. It produces engaging and concise content ideal for platforms like TikTok and YouTube, and deep integration with Google services enhances productivity. While the weakness of Google Gemini is that new users may find the interface and feature complex and can experience lag during high demand periods. Best utilized within Google's suite of services, less effective outside it. Google Gemini is best for generating multimedia content for social media, managing tasks and integrating with Google Workspace, and assessing up-to-date data and news. And processing and summarizing large data sets. Both ChatGPT and Google Gemini offer unique strengths. ChatGPT is ideal for users seeking versatility, strong analytical capabilities, and established integrations. Google Gemini shines in creative content generation, real-time information access, and deep integration with Google's ecosystem. Your choice between the two should depend on your specific needs and the task you aim to accomplish. For comprehensive tasks requiring a broad skill set, ChatGPT may be more suitable. For creative projects and tasks benefiting from real-time information and Google integration, Gemini could be the better option. So basically, this is the difference between ChatGPT and Google Gemini. If you found this video helpful, then leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.